This deck is extremely tough now. This was all old sun damaged wood. I mean, it looked horrible. Let's see if I can push it out. Yeah, there we go. All of this, you can kind of see what kind of wood it was. You can kind of see what we've done to it. Just encapsulated it and locked it down. Extremely locked it down. Massive coats on this to fight the sun. So during the day when it's hot like this, this coating will swell up off these boards a little bit and give it room to expand. Give these boards room to expand, and that's what it's doing right now. You can see this is me dripping sweat. It's 99 degrees out here right now, and there's no doubt that these boards have swelled up past their original size, and there's no doubt that this coating has allowed for that expansion, and it'll allow for that contraction tonight when the sun goes down and these boards go down just a little bit. You got daily expansion and contraction, and then you got seasonal overall expansion and contraction. But this deck, this is one of the ones where it's like borderline. You think about whether it's worth saving, and I promised them that it was, and we got lockdown on it. It's locked down really, really well. Looks great. You can tell it's in some places it's a little bit older wood, but guess what? It's saved them thousands of dollars, and it's just as beautiful. This deck here is just as beautiful as any deck here. I mean, these ones aren't even painted. Those ones up there are not great. This is a new deck here, and I'd rather have this one I just painted. I don't like them old rail systems there. It reminds me of Jurassic Park or something. Just looks goofy. I don't know why anybody would want something like that. Not up my alley. Support systems. We threw in support systems here. Support systems here, there. And then there's actually another one in this corner here. Another support system there. Pulling these rails a little bit tighter, but all in all, everything finished beautifully here. Really great deck system. Super happy for her.